What if I told you that you could purchase a 5-bedroom home here in San Clemente with nearly 2,900 square feet, paid for solar, peak ocean views for under $1.6 million? Well, you can, and today's the day. Let's go take a look. Your new 5-bedroom home features a main level bedroom and full bathroom. Best of all, the main level has also gone through a remodel recently, featuring wide plank porcelain wood flooring throughout the entire main level. The kitchen is totally new, as is your downstairs bathroom. And then upstairs, you've still got 4 more bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, including your primary suite that offers peak ocean views. What I love about Brisa Del Mar is it's an intimate community of just 87 homes. And it's the only community here on the hill of Rancho San Clemente that offers its own private HOA pool, as well as 2 ocean view parks with stunning views. This home spells opportunity. Visit the website 1211viavisalia.com for more details, or call me. You must see this home.